Breathing, according to me, corresponds to taking charge of one's own life. Luce Irigaray. Wim Hof, known as the Iceman, is perhaps the most well-known spokesperson for the powerful effects of breathing. His famous Wim Hof method combines a breathing regimen with cold therapy to train peak functioning of cardiovascular, psychological, and immune systems. His many unfathomable accomplishments include climbing Mount Kilimanjaro in shorts, running a half marathon above the Arctic Circle barefoot, and standing in a container submerged in frozen water for more than 112 minutes. He attributes these feats to his training method and has also said that breathing is the perfect opportunity to get high on your own supply. It comes as a pleasant surprise to many that something as mundane as breathing can have such a profound impact on our lives. When we learn to breathe properly and strategically, the benefits become apparent quickly. Recently, there has been an emphasis on nasal breathing versus the typical pattern of mouth breathing. This is because the nose is equipped with tiny hairs called cilia that filter toxins out of the air, humidify nasal passages, and enhance circulation. Nose breathing also reduces the chance of developing sleep apnea, it protects our dental health, and even strengthens various facial muscles, which leads to cosmetic improvements. Additionally, the average adult takes between 12 and 16 breaths per minute. However, it's ideal to slow the breath rate and strive for a rate of 6 breaths per minute. Use of the diaphragm during breathing is also strongly encouraged for properly filling the lungs with air. This will aid in the process of slowing the breath as breathing will become more deliberate and concentrated. One of my favorite applications of breathwork is for alleviating anxiety and even panic. Any pattern of breathing that involves elongated exhales relative to inhales will activate the parasympathetic nervous system and help reduce anxiety. The physiological sigh is a bottom-up technique that's often promoted by Dr. Andrew Huberman, where one first engages an inhale through the nose, but before they get to the top, they take another sharp inhale through the nose and then expel all the air out with a large exhale. Engaging in this practice for just 5 minutes a day leads to significant reductions in anxiety. The bear down is another effective technique that involves taking an inhale and then squeezing as hard as one can for 5 seconds, then releasing all the air and tension from the body.